I hope I will find someone. It's been lonely since a few days. And even after Edward passed by, it seems I've been alone more. Wait a minute. I think I saw someone in the distance. It seems to be a blue little engine, but I don't know who he is. Hey, James! It's me! Who's there? Thomas? Is that you? Yes, James. It is me. But how did you find me? I just walked down the docks. But Thomas, what happened to you? I thought the Germans got you. I thought the soldiers got you. The Germans, or whatever they are. Well, I was at Knapford Station with Donald shunting at the yards when their attack, and I think I recognized a Nazi symbol on their chest. So was their shoulder. Donald raced through the mines, but I decided to stay here, and I ran through the shed. Oh my, Thomas, I'm so sorry. I didn't expected this. It's okay. Well, now we should maybe get out of here before they found us. Yeah. I found a shed who is empty. Maybe we can go there. Good idea. Now come on, let's move out.